Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Blue Dynamic EFB starter battery by Varta. It is an Blue Dynamic EFB 570500076. And if you have a failed function of your old battery, which is built in your car, you will need a new one. Because our car should be not looks nice only from the outside, it should work very well, and for this it needs a good battery. And we are going to choose a Varta Blue Dynamic EFB to get a superior and extraordinary battery for high performance applications. Thanks to its EFB enhanced technology, which is suited for start-stop vehicles that started the engine multiple times in a single journey, the Varta Blue Dynamic EFB battery have twice the level of endurance of convenience batteries. We choose the Varta Blue Dynamic EFB for vehicles with higher than normal energy demands, whenever that means a toucher driver schedule, multiple accessories and equipment installed, or start-stop enabled cars without regeneration braking technology. The Blue Dynamic EFB key benefits are ready for entry-level start-stop systems, engineered to the highest German standards, a patent power frame grid for reliable starting power, fast recharge and corrosion resistance, and like for like, replacement of the batteries sold to the OE channel. The model is 570-500-076. The capacity is 70 ampere hour. The CCA is 760 ampere, the width is 175 millimeters, the length is 278 millimeters, and the height is 190 millimeters. The short code of the battery is N70. The UK code is 096 EFB. EFB, what is that? EFB or AGM? Which battery we are going to need. New starter battery technology extend the range available, but also make it difficult for some workshop employees to find the right replacement battery for the vehicle. It cannot always be assumed that the battery which is already installed in the vehicle is really the best technology for the vehicle, especially if the battery has already been replaced. This also makes it difficult to understand the workshop's choice of replacement battery. EFB or AGM? EFB batteries for compact and mid-range cars with start and stop. The batteries are further developed of convenient lead-acid batteries. The polyethylene material of the surface of the positive plate guarantees that the EFB has a longer service life. EFB batteries have a low internal resistance and are characterized by twice the number of charging cycles in comparison with conventional starter batteries, as well as high load capacity. The EFB batteries are suitable for the power supply of cars with simple automatic start-stop systems, without start-stop but with demanding driving requirements. For example, urban traffics. If you have a car which does not have start-stop function, but you are the most of the time in only urban traffic, this will the right choice in battery what you have to think about. Without start-stop, but with extensive equipment. If you tune a little bit your car, then this part of battery maybe is good for you. the EFB batteries. If the vehicle is originally supplied with an EFB battery can also be used as a replacement. If the car owner requires even greater performance or have a very demanding driving profile with a lot of urban traffic, a powerful AGM battery can be selected. Because if you have an AGM or an EFB battery installed, the only thing you have to do is check that the amperes are nearly the same, and then you can replace an AGM to an EFB or an EFB to an AGM. Important is, if you change from EFB to AGM or AGM to EFB, that you program this by using a scanner system to relearn your battery. It is not necessary to do this on all entire cars out there. But if you change EFB to AGM, it should be done. The best thing after replacement is, of course, to relearn the battery. That means go with a scanner and relearn the settings of the new EFB battery inside your car, with your car. Then it will be more long range of using this Varta battery. It's really easy to look at the ampere hour matches, voltage matches, of course, it should be 12 volt, and then the dimensions are matches, and the negative and positive poles are at the right side of the battery. Then you can replace it, then relearn it, or do not relearn it, but then you have to stay in EFB or AGM, what was built in before. And then it's really important to remove the sealing clamps right and left of the battery, because these are plugs to the delivery status only. If you install this battery inside your car, you have to remove them. These are little yellow caps which you have to remove. Wear a glass, wear gloves, then you can replace or remove them. Of course, the old battery should be sealed again and then go to recycling. Then it's important to remove the plus and the minus cover. And then you're ready to attach the new EFB battery inside your car. And this battery will have a long range of lifetime. This is the Blue Dynamic EFB battery 570-500-076. If you have a car with a capacity built in with 69 ampere hour or 73 ampere hour or in that range, you can use that. If it was an EFB, you can replace it easily. If it was an AGM, you have to relearn the battery system. Some cars out there, like BMW, needs a fresh relearn of the battery because of the power supply system. This is a smart system inside that car that needs the information that the new battery is built in. Seal the old one, remove the old one, recycle the old one, and then attach the new one. The new Blue Dynamic EFB 570-500-076 with the short code N70 and the UK code 096 EFB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.